Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I am re-recording this video because I made a perfectly wonderful first impression unboxing of this video, put it out there, it was beautiful, and somewhere along the way, uploading to YouTube, it decided not to have any sound. Of course, right? And did I save that clip? No, once I uploaded it to YouTube, I figured it's good, I don't need the clip anymore, so I deleted it. That's happened to me a couple times over the last week. YouTube is like doing something, I don't know what, but anyhow, we're gonna get into this one right now. I'm trying to record this real quick so I can put it up there before this afternoon because today is the Chuck Pinson interview. This is a Chuck Pinson. I wanted to show it to you. I'm gonna move the camera back just a little bit, okay? Let's show you what I got. It's a square Chuck Pinson. We know that because of this blue strip here. Here's all of the directions how to diamond paint, contents in your kit. Like I said, it's already been opened. I've already seen it. You won't get quite the wow factor you did the first time, but it's still gonna be a wow because it's beautiful. All right, let's get it out of here. And you'll see that it's a little different than what it normally would be because it's packaged up the way that I repackage it when I'm done. So my toolkit is in here. Your toolkit comes with your boat, which is a clear tray, some baggies, your pen, it says square, wax. My mom's come over to my house to get wax right now. I hope I get this done before she gets here. And some tweezers for a square kit. You always get tweezers, okay? So like I said, this has already been repackaged the way I like to do it when I put it away because I store it in the box. Anyhow, okay, here's what we have. Are you ready? Okay, it's facing the right way. So, it's fabulous. That's all I have to say about it is it's fabulous, and I will do it this winter. Sometime this winter, I will do this painting. All right, hang on. I'm gonna roll these back a little bit. I normally just have to roll them a little bit like this, the edges, and then they'll lay flat. See, look at that. That's all I have to do to it. Roll it back just a little bit. And then they like to lay flat for me. See, look at, isn't it gorgeous? It's absolutely beautiful. It's called Winter's Oasis. Yes, and it's one that I saw on the list of 27 paintings that are going to be made into diamond paintings. Hang on, let's zoom you out a little bit. And I do it the wrong way every time. There, you can see the whole thing now. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at the sun shining in here. It's beautiful, you guys. It's beautiful. Why wouldn't I love this painting? It has horses in it, right? Yeah, it has horses. It has 3 horses. They've been out on a ride, and they've stopped at the cabin probably for the evening or to rest or something. Well, they're not there for the evening because they would have taken the saddles off. But anyhow, just fantastic. Fantastic, okay? I love this. It's nighttime, it's winter. They've got a fire going in the cabin to keep them warm. They got lots of wood. They could spend a while. They got lots of firewood there. And the horses are just hanging outside, just waiting. Isn't it beautiful? This is all forest back here and pine trees, and it's just gorgeous. It's beautiful. The fence here with the gate, they've come up and they're tied up here, and they're just, oh my goodness. I love the colors, this blue and the sky. It's the nighttime coming through the forest, right? It's just fantastic. Wow. There's a cardinal. There's a little cardinal sitting right here on the fence. He's watching over everybody. I believe I said in the last video that it looks like there's a Christmas tree possibly in this window of the cabin. And I might put a couple sparklers in here maybe. It depends on what colors those are to see if we could make it look like it's a Christmas tree. It's got like this pinkish red door, which is interesting. Smoke coming out the chimney. Oh my gosh, it's just gorgeous. It's beautiful. So with the Diamond Art Club, you get your serged edge, scalloped, keeps it from fraying. This has 51 colors, you guys. I'll show you the sticker in a minute. So you have your key over here, and you have it over here with all your colors. Down here at the bottom, it tells you it is Winter's Oasis. It's 30 inches by 22. There's the measurements in centimeters, and it is a Chuck Pinson Diamond Art Club. Look at the symbols while we're here. Look at them. Let me get them to focus. There we go. Perfectly clear, right? Perfectly clear. This does come with ABs. Look, here's some right here. Number ones are ABs. There's a few over here, sprinkled up here. And then there's some up in here. There's lots of ones. The ones are a beautiful blue, and we'll look at those in a minute. All right. All right. So now you get to see what I do when I'm done. I take my sticker sheet, I fold it up, I put it in the bag just like this, so I always know what's in there. There's one, and there's that AB right there. Look at how pretty it is. Look at it shine and sparkle. Look at the iridescent coating on it. It's gorgeous. So the drills can go back in the bags nice and neat when you're done, see? It's not all that tough. Just roll them, kind of. Just roll them. All right. So that's how I put it away. Oh, and it does say Winter's Oasis right here on the bag if you take the bag separate from the painting, but I always keep it in the box. I have all mine in their boxes. All right. Here's the sticker sheet. Here's the drills. We'll look at those. But we got the small sticker as well to do with whatever you would like. Put it in a book. Somebody suggested putting it on the back of the painting even. Okay. Here's the painting. It's beautiful. And Chuck is coming to my live tonight, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Nerves are starting to kick in a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. But anyhow, here's all the symbols, and you can cut these out. It's a sticker. Cut them out. Put them on your containers. There they are. All right. Cool. This one only has, no, it has 3 triangles. 4 they're into the triangle thing. Look. Like here's a bottom right triangle, bottom left triangle, upper left triangle, upper right triangle. At least they're all different colors. What I'm working on right now, they're almost all brown. A little confusing. Anyhow. Okay, here we go. This is the big bundles. I mean, they're just gorgeous colors. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. All right? Browns, blues, peaches. Look at, there's 2 bags of this blue, and it's a beautiful blue, $7.98. There's always gray. You can count on several grays in one of his paintings. 2 bags of $9.39. More browns to lighter browns, gray, another green, and different varieties of tans, and another blue. Just gorgeous. So that's like the big bundles. But then this is another strip of large quantities. And look, well, we're backwards here. Let's do this way. Okay, let's start here. 823, another dark blue. This color is beautiful. It's going to be gorgeous in here. 414. Another brown. Look at more blues. This is very blue. The blues are gorgeous in this, you guys. Look at this one. Another gray, like a rust color. Here's all of our 310s. There are never very many 310s in a Chuck Pinson. Gray. And this one we have 3 bags, and it's beautiful. 3325 is a gorgeous, gorgeous blue. Some peaches, 2 of those. Another gray, and 2 bags of that blue AB, because this blue AB is everywhere in this painting. It is sprinkled everywhere. So Aurora Borealis, AB, stands for AB, Aurora Borealis. It's a coating on the drills. It makes it iridescent. Look at them sparkle and shine and pick up all these colors. Greens and golds and all kinds of colors it picks up. It's beautiful. And this is going to be everywhere. 2 bags of it. You guys, that's a lot of AB. It's going to be everywhere. All right. Last little strip. We get like some gold, little purple. And somebody's coming up to my door right now, so I might have to stop this recording and pick it up in a second. Told you I'm trying to get it done. Okay, I'll be right back. Oh, good. It was just my husband, and he just went out to the garage. He's not coming in. Yay, let me finish. rust, green, peach. Oh, no, it was the mailman, actually. Huh, all right. And here's just some little bits. And then here's some white. This is an AB here, and there's not very much. I'll show you where it goes. But there's our colors. Just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so the white. The white is number 2, okay? And it is just lightly sprinkled in this snow here and here. It's kind of just through here. And that's really the only place you'll find those 2s is right through here. It's the only true like white on the painting right in here. And there's just a little bit of it, okay? Now the blue is everywhere. The blue is, I mean, I showed you some over here. It goes all the way up through this tree and all the way through this sky is that blue AB. It's everywhere. And I mean, that's the forest with the night, you know, the moonlight shining through. Over here, this is really pretty. This is going to get some colors over here in these trees. We get some purples over here and stuff like that. But it's just fantastic, you guys. I so want to do this one. Like, I won't do it before Christmas. I know that. But maybe like in February when it's snowy and gloomy around here and I just need something to brighten my spirits and make me feel better, I can pull this one out and do it. Yeah. It's so, so pretty, you guys. It's so pretty. So I'm sorry I had to redo this whole thing. I tell you, YouTube, it's on my last nerves lately. I'm just like, oh, why don't things just work? So apparently not. I need to check and double check and triple check everything to make sure it's working properly. So anyhow, I hope you guys are going to make it for the Chuck interview tonight. This will be out before that so that you can see one more Chuck Pinson before we actually meet him tonight. So I hope you can make it. I'm going to go put this video together now and crossing my fingers that it works well and it goes quickly and smoothly. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to go do that and I'll see you guys tonight. All right. Have a great afternoon and see you at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time and Chuck will be there. Woohoo! Let's rock and roll.